All right, folks, it's me, Ken Weller. And today I'm diving into the fascinating world of waterless coolants. You heard right, waterless. Now, before you think I've gone completely bonkers, let me tell you, this stuff is changing the game for car engines. For years, I've relied on the good old water and antifreeze mix to keep engines from overheating. But let's be honest, water has its limitations. It can freeze, boil, and even cause corrosion. That's where these new waterless coolants come in to save the day. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does a coolant do? Well, think of it as your engine's personal bodyguard against heat. When your engine runs, it generates a tremendous amount of heat, enough to fry an egg on it. That's where the coolant steps in. It circulates through the engine, absorbing all that excess heat and preventing it from turning your engine block into a molten mess. The hot coolant then flows to the radiator, where it's cooled down before being sent back into the engine to repeat the cycle. So, we know coolants are important, but why go waterless? Well, for starters, these new coolants have a much wider operating temperature range than their watery counterparts. That means they won't freeze up in the dead of winter or boil over in the summer heat. And because they don't contain water, there's no risk of corrosion, which can wreak havoc on your engine over time. Plus, these waterless wonders can last much longer than traditional coolants, saving you time and money in the long run. Now, if you're thinking of making the switch to waterless coolant, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you'll need to completely drain your old coolant system and give it a thorough flush. This ensures that no water is left behind to contaminate the new coolant. Once the system is clean, you can fill it up with the waterless coolant, following the manufacturer's instructions. And remember, always use the correct type of waterless coolant for your car, as different formulations are designed for different engine types. Using the wrong coolant could damage your engine, and we don't want that. Right then, that's waterless coolants in a nutshell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Until next time, happy motoring.